Now I'm live.
There were two things that I wanted to fix actually really, really quickly before anything else that I've had on my mind. Last night I saw a bug with the enemy pathfinding that I need to fix. And today you sent me an issue.
Oh yeah, what was the bug with the pathfinding? Because I might have something to add on to that, but it might be the same thing.
If you... so the enemies only update their pathfinding whenever the target's position changes. So when the player's moving between where the node boundaries are, it would cause him to recalculate pathfinding, which would cause him to go back to the previous node he had just passed. It's like a weird
Was
thing.
that making him like wiggle back and forth?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yep. I noticed that because I was just like playing through the game earlier because I was like, I'm not working.
Yeah.
Not getting anything done, so I might as well go through and try to find things that are broken.
Yeah, that's a good thing to do. It's something I haven't done in a moment, but
no,
I can show you
but yeah,
specifically what it does.
Yeah.
If I spawn it in ground enemy fire and then turn on frame advance. So like he is gonna go past this, and then I think if I teleport here, he'll like do. Sometimes he'll do like a little skip back. Yes, you can see he does the little wiggle.
Yeah.
That's because the players, because I'm moving between node boundaries in the waypoint like graph. And so it's causing him to update his pathfinding, and when he updates his pathfinding, it resets the target point to the first path point, which is the one that he's technically already on. So he runs back to the center of it and then continues, and then it resets the pathfinding and just keeps doing that. So I have a couple of ways to do that, which is fine.
Cool.
I think what I wanted to do for it was... Oh my god, I swear I had a fucking... I swear I had a solution for this in mind earlier.
You probably did.
I definitely did. I know... Alright, it was a two-part solution. Let me write this out really quickly so I can pull up an obsidian document. Give me 50 stream and new note. Today is June 30th. So enemy path finding. So the first one, I'll start with the second one because it's way simpler to make sense of, which is cooldown between path searching. Like if the player moves between the nodes, it shouldn't do it every single time the player moves between them. It should be like, okay, we swapped our path, we can't swap the path again for like half a second or whatever.
Yeah.
The other one was what was the other one? The other one was excuse me. So tile navigation agent. Oh my god, my eyes are blurry as fuck right now. Let me drink this caffeine. I think it might be a caffeine thing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
One thing I was thinking recently is the ghouls. I honestly think I might make their damage not be based on like cards that spawn them.
Mm-hmm.
It's a weird thing because it's like I want you to be able to increase the damage on that card, but I feel like the ghoul damage shouldn't be like inconsistent between different places that they spawn.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Like, and also I think the like affinity upgrades should also include like buffs to the ghouls, so like they deal more damage, things like that. So like a higher chance to spawn them. The main thing I'm thinking is back to Sephiria, they have a lot of the like elemental upgrades are similar, where it's like, oh, on hit chance to spawn like a sword that falls out of the sky, and then later upgrades like increases the damage of those. And then there's also additional items that buff them, so we could have additional items that buff specifically ghouls, since if you're running Doom, you'll have ghouls just naturally, plus cards that additionally give you more ghouls. So I think the trade-off there is a lot better than being able to increase the damage on like the card itself. I also might make the card not like an equipment, because right now it's an equipment which you have to like equip but then throw. Which I feel like there's not really any benefit of like choosing where you throw it right now. So I either should add that or make it not an equipment.
Yeah.
Do you have any input on that or no?
Not really. Sorry, I'm still also trying to walk
yeah.
through this and what the best solution is for it. And I think I have one potentially, but
cool. Let me think how I might do that. I might make it that throwing it actually does something kind of like the pumpkin, how it has like impact damage.
Wait, sorry, I just looked over at my stream. Where the fuck is my Godot? Oh, my screen share was broken, and it was showing nothing. It was just showing my desktop the entire time.
That's really funny.
Oops.
I see it fine on my end.
Yeah, on OBS.
Yeah, I assumed that's what you meant, but I was just saying that it was fine on my end.
Yeah. Oh, here's Godot. So let's see. When I do update pathfinding. This is the problem because it does a lot of stuff, right? Yeah. So how about this? Let's set up print old path, and then once we do this, I can print this out as the new path. Correct, hopefully. Yeah, so these are basically the same path, but with like a different, mostly endpoint. Oh shit, that book is slow as fuck. Let me pop this out to a separate console. Also, here's a cool thing for anyone who's in stream and didn't already see it. I made it so I can pop the console out to a separate window. And then I can separately unpause the game and continue playing the game while there's a console window, which is fucking sick. So I'm just gonna put it on the side, or actually I don't need to. So the different old path is like literally the same thing, except here. Old path, new path. These are like basically the same thing, right? So I think what I can do is I can see if the current path does this know what its most recent thing is? Like if I were to do, you have your current path index, right? This is something that's just part of the class. Yeah. So if current path index this might not work. So if you have a current target, let me see. I don't know why the fuck am I typing this. This is a weird thing to type. Let me do this one first. This doesn't matter. So if current target is, let's say it's the second in the new path. think this will do something cool, hopefully. Is the what yes no? Is the huh?
Is the what?
Gababa?
The ba?
Is the huh yeah waha? Okay, current target is index 1. Current target's index 1. Okay, yeah. So I think that would work in these cases. This is doing weird shit. Honestly, that might actually solve maybe not all of the oddities, but like most of them.
Why is this not working?
Because if current target is currently in the new path and it's, I could just say like new path, or I could say new index is this, and then I could say current path index is equal to new index. This was not at all the solution I had in mind, but like this might just like be the like not the correct, but this might be like the quickest way to get this to work. I think. Yeah, I mean that looks like that's working for me. I mean it's. He's not doing the little weird thing whenever I switch side to side. Like he does a little bit of a weird thing I just saw there, but it's not like the worst thing ever for him to just do that sometimes. Enemies, you know, they're bizarre little creatures or whatever. It's fine for them to fuck up sometimes. Do either of us know anything about music production? A little bit, but not like a notable amount. Ah,
I
shit.
do.
Wait, what the fuck do you mean you have no path?
No path?
Dude, you have no path. No path. Uh-oh, that's a problem.
No path of ancestry?
Path is null? Why would path be null? What? What kind of questions about music production do you have? Because we might be able to help, but I don't know, honestly. It's like not our main thing by any amount. You don't know? Okay, that's a good point.
Okay.
Yeah, if path and do this shit. So make this new path here. If there is currently a path, I can do this. Let's see. So if the size is like 7, then I would want it to be. Yeah. Okay. Hello, Mr. Gamers B. How's it going? Oh, new chat thing in the top right. Yeah, social stream broke again, and so I just like gave up and went with one of the templates. I might try to customize it a little bit, but eh. Oh, there's no path if it can't find the player. So like if I were to go here, yeah, he still just kind of exists and accidentally finds his way to the player, which is fucking sick. It's my favorite part.
Very cool.
Is that sometimes he just accidentally stumbles into the way. JW is locked in and AFK. They're not like mutually exclusive, I don't think.
Wait, what did it? What?
Nothing. What? Don't even worry about it. nothing that important. Just chill.
Okay.
Okay, so that fixes the enemy pathfinding issue, apparently. What the fuck was I gonna do? Oh yeah, the enemy slash. I need to get rid of something because I'm fucking stupid and dumb.
I am doing good. I am just disassociating a little bit.
I don't remember how the fire effect works, I'll be honest with you. I think you've probably used the fire effect most recently. Oh, fire effect on you, that's what it's called. Yeah, I gave
I see.
this guy fire, and I don't want to do that. I'm gonna get rid of that because it's not supposed to be there. It's a debug thing that we never got rid of. Also, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Mostly. A little scatterbrained right now, but that's okay. Alright, so I guess enemy pathfinding is fixed. And the solution for that was just I don't know, see if current target is on path. Sure. Let's see. So the next thing, there was a UI bug. What was up with that? How did you get that to happen? Did you figure it out? The white box?
Yeah, I don't know. How do I, can you make like a multi-line?
Yeah.
It can only be one thing. How do you do this?
You can do multi-line. You just put it on a separate line, and then you put spawning equals whatever on a separate line as well. And you also have to tap it over.
Oh, okay.
At that point, though, you should maybe just make it a function. Okay.
No.
Sure, dude.
Let me make sure this works, and then I'll figure out what you're doing.
Yeah, I'll just run through the level. I'm sure this is how you ran into it. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
I don't know either.
Looks like it's...
I don't think like either of us touched that, so I don't know why it's doing that.
Yeah, I don't know. Let me, I'm gonna move this over to my other screen while I go to try to find this. Actually, I need to put myself on like a wall or something so that I can still click on the game. Any chance this... Tell me what you are. The answer's no. If I use this thing...
Okay, that works now. I had a bug where I had a little delay on like when the skulls could explode, but then if they like made it to the target of the enemy and just was like sitting inside of them, they wouldn't explode. But I just made it the hitbox, or like the area searching for the enemy, is disabled until they can explode, and then it's enabled, which would then detect the enemy even if they were like inside of it, and then will instantly explode. So no more bug. I also gave the jar the same little explosion on hit as the ghouls have, which I don't know if I want to have that permanently, but
I don't know what the fuck is going on here. This is really weird. I know what it is. I just don't know why it is. It's it's this thing. But it's being rendered as... Yeah, it's this thing.
Yeah, I noticed.
Being rendered
that's
as a
what I
white box.
saw, because it's just like a white box.
Yeah.
Because I looked at like the
whatever
the sprite or whatever, and the square looked like it was the same as the square there.
That's a crazy way to do it. See, the way that I did it was I swapped my Godot thing over to the 2D input and did the box select thing so that I can see all of the nodes that are on that spot, and then I just was like, okay, well, one of these makes sense. It's actually this one.
You're weird.
Yeah, no, that was too efficient.
Yeah.
So mostly because of I'm just like scatterbrained a little bit right now. It's not like a bad thing. It's just not as like goated.
My brain don't work today.
As it could be. Also, I got the little box on the bottom right showing the song through lots of trials and tribulations, mainly. There is this old plugin for a program called Foobar 2000 that has kind of just floated around on the internet for a while. That is like a music display. It's basically the thing you see down there. Except Foobar doesn't work on Linux. So I had to, using this program, which is like a spiritual successor to it, but on Linux, I had to write my own script to pull the values from Linux's audio API thing to get like the name of the song and then the image thing or whatever the fuck it is. It was something. So I think the problem with this is the fact there is a, I don't know. See, the weird thing about this JW is that it doesn't render weird in the editor.
Yeah,
that's the part that's got me like
that's what I was
confused.
Does it have like a material on it or something?
It does. The canvas group has a material on it, but it is not rendering in the editor, which is very weird.
Are there like any changes to it recently?
Wait.
Is it because you changed the viewport scaling?
Nope, apparently not.
Okay. Because I'm just trying to think like what the heck did we even change recently that would cause that? Because I don't. Besides me like adding that texture there, it hasn't been touched in like forever.
Yeah, it's definitely the. Oh. Yeah, I'm just like narrowing down all the things that affect it.
It's partially covered up by my music player, so.
Wait, no.
Wait, no.
This?
What?
Why is it you? Why are you the problem? Okay, this is weird. So the let me do this. We can do it this way because I'm on Linux. I can do this. Keep above others. So it's actually really weird because it's this sprite in specific that is causing it.
Oh,
but it's not like it's not the label that's attached to it. It's like the sprite itself.
And it's not the other sprite?
Nope. Because you can see the other sprite. And if I... Is this on a different Z index than the other ones? Z0.
Probably.
Z0
Z index.
Doesn't look like it's
Weirdo.
different. What's
Sorry.
You?
What am I gonna work on? I should do some more art or something. Where's your ideas note thing?
This isn't even a canvas group, actually. Why the fuck is this still called canvas group? What if this became a canvas group? Would that fix it?
I don't even remember why it was a canvas group.
Makes it look the same as it does in game, at least. Which, for better or for worse.
Maybe because it's named canvas group, it automatically gets converted to a canvas group when you start the game. I think it does.
No.
That's how that works.
This is not Wilson's code where he calls a string into the audio manager with the name of the sound that he wants to play.
Why are you bringing Wilson into this? What did Wilson do?
What did Wilson do? He made his audio manager use a string for the sound that he wants to play.
Don't bully the goat.
I'm not bullying the goat. It's totally fine. He's allowed to do what he wants to. I still think Wilson's dope. It's just a little weird.
That'd be really funny if that was Wilson in the chat.
Hello, Rolo. A string for the audio he wants to play sounds normal. Almost. It's not. Because instead of it being like you have a link to the audio stream that you actually want to play or a resource like reference or anything, it's kind of like you want the player to take damage, and so you say like audio server.play, and then you pass in a string that just says hurt, which is not. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's just like we have modern solutions. So hello, little PC. How's it going? Why in the fucking world is this not working? Next color. Color should not be this. Color should be texture screen texture screen UV, which I assume is something I don't currently have. Correct.
Just do what Pirate Software does. True.
Screen texture.
The hit sound is index 73. So you just call play sound 73 if you want to hit sound.
Yeah, no, Pirate Software would be like hit sound 73 or 73, and then it would be like fucking this is the hit sound.
True.
Fucking stupid shit. Some of the dumbest shit in the world happens there. I actually think this is bad to do this because I think this shader is used in a lot of places, so maybe this doesn't do this at all. What did we want the behavior for this to be, by the way?
For what?
For this, the
the number we just say how many cards you have like in your draw pile.
Yeah, but how do we want to signify that you're about to draw?
Oh, I forgot because it has like the little charge thing. Maybe like a little radial indicator that like.
Yeah, I mean, we can
like
have this be a
it.
radial indicator of like.
I feel like it's
like
a little
the red
small.
thing
I was thinking like a circle that goes around all of it.
Maybe.
Like a line circle, like not like a filled in circle, like an outline.
Yeah. I got you.
What if we remade Dante 9 in Super Mario 64?
What if we remade Dante's 9, but all of the textures are just gradient textures?
We should make a game that's just gradient textures.
Honestly, dude, whenever we do our next like a game jam, we should just have all of the textures be gradient textures, and I honestly think that might be the play.
I want to do 3D stuff at some point.
Okay, well then you can do 3D. The textures are just gonna have to be gradient.
Yeah,
and I hope you're okay with that. Is this already scaled by 3? This is already scaled. I don't even have to
why
scale
are you
it.
scaling that? You didn't notice that the pixel size was like way off. Also, that's way too small.
Yeah, there's also a problem of it's like offset wrong. Why in the world? Why were you set to 31.33 instead of 31? Also, why are you off center? What? Hold up, I'm gonna have to change the background clear color because I can't see shit. It's under rendering 2D? No. Renderer? No. Yeah. I just like. There we go. I'm actually so like perplexed. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, to the origin. That's actually exactly where I expected you to go.
Why are you struggling with the circle this much?
Because if I try to make it move, it doesn't snap to the correct amount. Like,
okay, let me do some pixel art or something. Oh yeah, I made this new little item drawing. It's like a little lightning charm thing.
whoa, that's sick.
I know.
What's it for?
Dante 9.
Oh, because this is offset in like a weird amount. What?
I'd still need to figure out what like half these items that I've drawn do. And that's what I'm bad at, so I'll make you do it someday.
Also, yeah, sorry, no, the yeah, changing the clear color wasn't to like fix the fucking thing. It was like I need to be able to see what's going on here and why this is fucked up and weird. And I still actually don't understand why it's fucked up and weird. I don't have object snapping turned on. What size is this? It's because this is fucking weird. It's because this is a 33 by 40 texture instead of something regular.
What is?
You're so fucking evil, dude. I need you to start exporting textures to the nearest power of 2.
What?
I'm about to make that like a requirement for the project.
I hate this guy.
Because the sprites by default are centered. So if the size of the sprite is 33, that means the center point that things need to line up to is fucking like, it's 17, no, not 17, 16.5.
Well, you can just change the offset on the sprite.
Yeah, I could. Or like, they could just be like some sort of even number or like a power of 2 preferably. It's fucking crazy, dude. I don't need an atlas texture. I'll just fucking do the offset thing, but like, oh my lord. Artists, man.
What did I do?
Export the texture as 33 by 40.
It's not that bad.
33 by 40.
It's really not that bad, but okay.
Hey, chat. Everyone else here agrees with me that that's like psychopath behavior that should be like warranted for like.
That is like a
JW should
programmer
have to
sin,
pay
but
some.
I'm not a programmer, so it doesn't matter.
JW should have to pay some sort of like fucking like tax for that. I don't know how that would work, but he needs to because like he has to pay for his sins. Right? Like you have to.
How about I pay for some magic cards? How about that? How's that sound?
Wow, no, that's so cool, dude. This motherfucker be like, I love magic.
Yeah.
Waiter, get this man a true. Or whatever the fuck they say on Twitter.
True.
This is cool. I'm glad that that works.
I hate magic. All right, so we're just hating for no reason. I see how it is. Oh, that was a cool sound.
Imagine making a game texture 33 by 40 couldn't be you. I fucking hope not. I think if you put a 33 by 40 texture on like the N64, it would actually just explode. And that's kind of just.
I think they need to like have better engineering if that happens.
Yeah, right, buddy. Let me see. What would I want this to look like if it was? Oh, I guess I could make this like really dark and then also have the alpha go back up whenever it's doing that. Yeah, how about that? Yeah, I mean, like, even numbers are still, like, better than just, like, 33? 33 as the width? Holy shit. We might need to, like, kill him, honestly.
This guy thinks I even look at the size of the thing I'm exporting while I export it.
I know. It's really naive of me to think that you would look at anything or think about anything while you're doing anything.
Yep.
Yes, sir. weird number for that to be on. Whatever. Who cares? Who fucking cares? Me. The answer's me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the Hidden King.
Alright, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's enough out of you.
Yeah, I'm the Hidden King. Yeah.
I fucked up in stupid, or is this just not working?
Both could be possible.
That's true. Oh, this is the other way around. It's supposed to be 1 minus. Lol. Well, no. What the fuck am I doing? What am I coding? Chat, I need help. I need a fix. What the hell's wrong?
We may never know.
Because this is weird, right? Like, this should go from... Oh, because ratio is, this is the one that needs to be reversed. It needs to start off at... Maybe both need to be reversed. We should be coding shit and hoping it works.
Yeah.
Vibing and coding type shit.
Yeah.
Or whatever. But not vibe coding. God, not vibe coding.
Yeah. Hello, C5B and other characters that I can't read.
This guy doesn't even read Korean. Crazy.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yep.
Isn't that like
don't be sorry, just be better.
language that Northern Lion is learning or whatever?
Shut the fuck up. Northern Lion literally already knows Korean.
Sorry. That was a good one though, wasn't it?
The only time odd number sizes are acceptable is if you're on a massive time crunch at like Activision or something. Yeah.
I mean, I
mean,
kind of am.
Well, you're not.
I'm basically Activision.
I should get my Korean keyboard set up back on fucking Linux.
Yeah, you should. So you can like talk like Northern Lion.
Shut up, dude. That one you're like not even wrong about, because like he does speak Korean.
Oh, he does?
Actually, I wonder how much Korean he still knows, because he doesn't speak it often. Let's see. I probably want this to be... Vibe matching is a thing for... It's a thing for vibe matching? Oh no. They've brought AI to decompilers. It's so over, chat. It's so over. Oh shit. Hold up. Actually, something really, really cool happened today that I have to share with everybody. Godot has actually made a statement on their website about changes to GitHub stuff. I didn't go through all of this, but a lot of it boils down to, holy fuck, guys, stop submitting AI code, you fucking bastards.
Kind of fire.
Which, absolutely fire. Yeah, it basically comes down to stop submitting AI. They said, let's see, where is the there's something about autocomplete or like yeah, right here. So no autonomous AI agent use or vibe coding. This leads to an auto ban from GitHub repository and will continue to do so. No use of AI to generate substantial pieces of code. The only menial things. I personally don't like doing it for regex or find and replace code completion. I'm also not a huge fan of, but it's fine-ish. And then if you do use it at all, you have to just disclose it as part of the PR discussion, which is fucking sick. And then also don't use AI when talking to people, which is, yeah, absolutely fire. Find and replace doesn't need AI. Yeah, it doesn't, but it's not like a. It's not in a case of like. Sorry, I know the context for this because I have coworkers who do it. It's not like a find the color, like anywhere it says red, replace that with blue in the code. It's like, let's say I had this variable called cooldown progress that was in camel case. If I said go throughout the project and anywhere it's got cooldown progress in camel case, replace it with cooldown progress in, sorry, this isn't camel case, this is snake case. Replace cooldown progress from camel case to snake case, or vice versa. AI for that kind of find and replace is what people use it for. I don't, but yeah. Some people do.
Yeah, and some people are
GW.
Yeah.
I've got this set up. Can you look at it?
Yeah, give me 2 seconds. Yeah.
Something like that.
Where are you in the walls?
So that I can do this without getting hit by enemies.
I didn't see it. Something kind of like that. I don't know if I like it. What the idea is there. Yeah.
Okay, what do you not like about it? What would you change about it?
I don't like that it like stays full if your hand is full. I feel like it just like disappear or something.
Yeah, I can do that.
Kind of ugly. The positioning probably needs a little bit of work too, but yeah.
Yeah, it's not. It's. I mean, yeah. The
yeah,
sprite
in terms
as it
of
is on screen is not lined up on the margins or anything.
Okay. Yeah. The idea though is I like it. That is good. You just need some adjustments. Anyways, let me figure out how to shade this so it doesn't look terrible. We love shading things.
Yeah. Wait, cat skull? Cat skull?
Cat skull?
Is that supposed to be on my stream or on JW's stream? I saw cat skull and I was like, oh, we're just talking about like JW's thing, whatever you're working on. But that was in my chat. Oh, this skull. I see. Duh. Yeah.
Yeah, you might be.
The door is a cat skull. You are 100% correct.
Yeah. Although I don't think it's actually what I. Is it? Let me double check. The door. Where's the door?
It's definitely a cat skull.
Kind of, yeah. It's like a
skull.
skull.
It's a
that's
skull
like,
with cat ears.
Yeah. Yeah, but like an actual cat skull doesn't quite look like that. But like then you can't tell that it's a cat skull.
Yeah, it's like whenever you look at pictures of bat skulls, they have like their big old ears, but like cartilage is not part of the skull, so it wouldn't actually be there.
Yeah, with something like that for sure. Yeah, whatever you say, twin.
Yeah, I know you didn't have that in mind, but like that is like a thing.
Yeah, sure.
Decompiling Kirby's Dream Collection special collection. Sorry, you like input a cheat code that made me stop talking. Honestly, want to experiment making custom code for it now. I don't even know what generation that's for. I'm assuming for the N64 or GameCube, one of the two. I'm not very familiar with Kirby games, to be real with you. Which is maybe a little insane. Oh, what the fuck was this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I accidentally hit a bind. Oh, it's for the Wii. Oh, really?
The Wii. What the hell?
That's pretty cool.
We should make a build for Dante 9 for the Wii.
Yeah, that's true. It's not. Oh, binds my feet. No, I should make an unbind command to that. At least his code is handwritten. That's true. It's. Yeah. I mean, I'll
human slop.
Yeah, I'll take human incompetence over artificial intelligence any day. Hey, dude, I can't help but notice that the ring is not there. Oh, there we go. Okay. I might be doing some evil shit. Sorry, gang.
Might? You like always are.
That's true.
Unlike me, I'm never evil. This is off of drawing. I see. Drawing. And I will set modulate a to 0 over like a small amount of time. Right? Surely. I don't know what I'm cooking up over here, but I'm just doing art because I
Hold
don't feel
on,
like
I need
thinking.
What the? They call JW because his name is JW. They don't call him Bitlytic because his name is not Bitlytic. They instead call him JW since his name is JW. What in the... This is like whenever the AI starts like freaking out. Have you seen the videos of someone like doing one of those like voice chatbot things and then it just starts freaking the fuck out?
I think so. That sounds familiar.
There was this one I was
I
watching where
probably have.
someone was like, they were talking to it, and some part of the text that it generated to TTS or whatever fucking model, whatever they use, it just couldn't form syllables with it, so it just started fucking like screaming.
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
And it would go back to like different letters and just keep repeating them over and over in like
That's
really weird
annoying.
ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, those videos are like really funny, but they're also like really, really like, they feel really weird because like the voice is just close enough to like a real person that you're like, fuck, I feel uncomfortable with this because like it sounds like someone fucking just like having a stroke or whatever, but then like you're like, no, it's just an AI. That's just kind of funny though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah,
I love AI.
that's true. JW does in fact love AI.
No, this isn't true, guys. This isn't true.
Wait, how the? Oh no, I need this to like do this. Hold on, I'm breaking my brain right now. Why did I code it this way? Why did I code it this way? Oh, here we go. I know what yep, okay, I figured it out. Not an LF, just an else, brother. Just an else.
Yeah.
Your chip. Oh wait, no. Hold on. No, this still isn't. I feel so stupid right now, I'll be real. What if I just like... I'm doing some stupid shit. I'm coding some stupid shit right now. They got me coding fucking moron mode.
Many such cases.
Okay, well that trigger, that's really cool and dope and sick, and I'm stupid or something. What the hell? Oh my god, because I'm putting this on the wrong line. Lol. Well, probably, maybe. Sure aren't. What the hell? It's full between two opacity, draw ring. Any cool errors in the console that say anything? No. Perfect. I was like, man, I would hate for this to be like usable by someone who has a brain.
I don't have a brain.
Yeah. You can't have, yeah, I can have bad code as long as it works. Yeah. JW can do it all over the project. Why can't I do it sometimes?
because I'm stupid and I'm allowed to do stupid things.
Let me see. Why did that... Hold on. Why did that print at all, ever? What is ratio? Does this go down? Sure fucking does. It sure does. That's my problem. I was assuming that this was counting up instead of counting down. Lol.
What a silly guy.
Hey, look at that, dude. That's cool. That worked. Perfect, kind of. So now whenever you need to draw a card, you can do nothing because it didn't.
No drawing cards for you.
Yeah, no drawing cards. Okay, cool. There we go. That works somewhat. All right, JW, can you look?
Yeah.
So, circle,
Mm-hmm.
and then whenever it's, if there's nothing left for it to draw, it just disappears. Otherwise, it draws it again.
Yeah.
I can get rid of things as well if we want. If we want to get rid of the
Yeah.
thing that has like the fucking circle that starts showing back up, that can be gone as well.
Yeah, I feel like it's like a little too big. Maybe it's... I don't know what the issue is. Maybe it's too thick. How thick is thou? Why not?
About
Yeah,
2.
maybe making it... If you can make it like 1 pixel or like 1.5 pixel like that.
Yeah, like
Beautiful.
this.
Yeah. That looks good.
Oh, dude, what if I just made it like a... There we go.
What if we killed you?
Is this what we wanted? I think this is what we wanted, right? Look. See? That looks so good.
Yeah, that looks so good. Yeah. You're right. It does.
Look at that jaggy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You can fix it so it doesn't have the jaggy, so it's nice like that. It's like, okay. It's like possible to get it without the jaggies. It's just difficult sometimes.
I don't know if it is.
Certain sizes.
I don't know how possible
it is.
it is, to be honest. I might have to move that out and then fuck with this gradient.
Yeah, you might. I mean, if it's not like, as long as it doesn't look terrible, definitely not that size. Yeah, move that one in. Also, yeah, the circle itself could be a little smaller. It's a little large.
This is why I don't do art.
I'm probably gonna end up like not even using a radial thing for it.
Yeah, probably not. Or what do you mean radial? Like a radial gradient? Or
yeah, like a radial indicator for it. I don't know. Maybe we want something else. Maybe I want something else.
okay, well then you make something else. What if we made it like around the thing here?
Around what thing?
Like around this. What if we made it like surround that?
Sure, if you want to try that, we can see how it looks. Yeah, because I'm not the hugest fan of like the radial indicator. I think it was a good idea, but I don't know if it quite works.
Okay, chat. I want you guys to place bets. What size? Maybe it is 24 by 24 actually. I doubt it. There's no way this is 24 by 24, right? You used the fuck. Oh, it's not. You used the gradient texture.
Yeah, of course I would.
I see. I thought you used this. I thought you made a sprite. No, I was gonna have people place bets on what size they thought the exported texture was.
Oh, I love gradient textures.
Based, honestly.
Just saying that to get my biddy rep up, so that way I can make more awfully sized pixel art without getting yelled at.
Yeah, or something. The biddy rep. Shit goes crazy. Just trying to fucking like up his friendship level with me. Picking the right option in a dialogue so you can like unlock New Game Plus or whatever.
Okay, hit my scroll wheel.
Meow. True. Meow. Real shit. Real shit. Spit your shit, man. Not you.
Oh. Okay.
Why is... Never mind. Never mind, it do not matter. It do not matter.
Why is? Sure sounded like it mattered.
This is the wrong pixel size, by the way. I think. Maybe it's not. It
I don't know.
Offset. It's just interesting that you have two different sprites here. You have this gradient texture, which is this like almost black color, and then inside of it you have a red circle instead of just making this one have both.
Yeah, well that would make too much sense, so why would I do that?
That would make like way too much sense. Like an egregious amount of sense, I think.
Yeah, see, you get it.
So yeah, you're right. It wouldn't make sense for you to do that. So this text is off. Oh. There we go. Close enough. Meow. Sorry. My fault. Meow. My fault getting at these. Yeah, that doesn't read particularly well, I won't lie.
I mean, to be fair, it doesn't need to be very big, because, like, you don't really care about that. We just want some sort of, like, indicator for it.
Yeah,
I don't
true.
know if that's the right option, but... Also, we probably want to have some sort of animation of it, like, drawing into the hand, like, say this way.
Yeah. Yeah, I just, I've been trying to make the thing have the, some sort of indicator that that it's about to draw, so that it's clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, twin.
Yeah, twin.
Oh, you're creating a cat game. Meow makes sense now. I mean, Yeah, it might make more
Meow.
sense, but I feel like, you don't need to be making a cat game to meow, you know?
Yeah.
Like, what if you're just, like, expressing your joy at the whimsy of the world?
At the amazing magic cards you just pulled.
You didn't pull amazing magic cards, though.
I mean, not today. I did, like, on Sunday.
Whoa, that's so crazy to win. This guy loves buying magic cards, by the way.
This is true. Hold up.
And it's kind of a problem.
Nah. Problems are, like, bad things, you know? You get what I'm saying, Twin?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure. Ew. What if I, like, put this behind the everything else?
What an interesting idea.
Oh, that's cool. It's not rendering anymore. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's what I was thinking would happen, actually. I was like, man, I can't wait for this to not load. Or not render whatsoever. Ah! Actually, also, I'm just going to change the clear color back in a second, whenever I remember to.
Yeah.
Oh, I accidentally made this a combat room.
If you, like, export that clear color, I will, like, get very mad at you. Like,
JW
push
doesn't
it
like
up
pink,
and-
guys. JW doesn't like pink.
No, like, I didn't say that. I said that I don't like
He
that
hates the
clear
color pink. He said pink is for girls. That's crazy.
Pink is a great
Reinforcing
color.
gender stereotypes in 2026 is kind of crazy, bro. What the fuck?
You literally know that purple's my favorite color, right?
Reinforcing stereotypes. Of course it is.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there's a tangent there that's pissing me off. It's pissing me off a lot. Yeah, that's right. I know words. I know what the fuck a tangent is in terms of art, kind of.
Wait, what? What are you talking about? Where?
The way that this and this line up at the same spot, like, annoys the fuck out of me because it makes it look like hella thick in this spot, even though it's like not
Okay.
particularly like
Well,
larger.
then fix it, artist boy.
Nope, you're the artist boy, you motherfucker. What do you mean? You know what? I'm pushing this up with this pink
No,
ass
don't
fucking
do
clear
it.
color. What if I made it like something really egregious? Like, I don't know, what would be egregious? It's fucking orange. This is the default clear color now. This is what we look at whenever we work on the project. Brother-in-law's like, that won't wear pink. Sister tried to make him wear pink. That's fucking tragic, dude. Life gets so much cooler whenever you realize that you can just kind of wear whatever you want, and you pick up a really cool multicolored hoodie and then wear
Then you
basically
make
nothing
the
else
multicolored hoodie your entire personality for the rest of your life.
Damn, bro. I didn't know I talked about it that much. What the fuck?
No joking.
That's crazy.
You do
Make it
just, like, wear
razor
that
green.
everywhere.
Wait a minute, you might be right. What is the razor? Razor green hex code. What we got? What is razor's hex color? Here. I have to press enter. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go, dude. That's the clear color. So anytime you go between rooms for a frame, the game will show this green. It will like jump scare you.
You, that looks terrible.
What do you mean? In what world? What? What? Weird.
You might be the worst to ever do it.
See, watch this. I loaded the level. Boom. It's a frame of green. It's so good. Oh, there's no frame of green there. Let me go back to the main menu. Oh, no. Where's the green?
It's over.
No, dude. Can I leave the... Oh, wait, no. I can leave the background, right? Oh, no. The camera doesn't follow Dante anymore. Fuck. No, this is so tragic. All right, so there's the bugs that I fixed. Hooray. I wanted to add. What did I wanted to add?
What did I wanted to add?
What did I wanted to add?
What did I
Let
want
me.
to
Oh, I wanted to add a debug thing because I'm like terrible or something.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. I'm just gonna like make a new command in here called unbind. And this is gonna point to debugutils.unbind. I'll just call it like unbind. Use autocomplete int key. Okay, I think that works. I think. So if I were to do like bind and see what my bindings are, I can say unbind I, unbind L, unbind O. And now those should all be unbound, and I can do bracket right and left as well. Right? Yeah, no, that didn't work. Fuck. What? Why not? Huh? Oh, because this needs to be the camel case version of it. Duh. There we go. Yeah, Razor Green is like the green screen color. Also, do gamers be? Are you like 15 minutes in the past? I feel like. I feel like it's been a couple minutes since the Razor green screen thing was a thing. Let me see. So let me bind this generation test 1 false. I think is what I had this set to. I don't think I showed this off on stream yet, but I have this thing that does this where it will show how the level was generated.
I'm on Video Vision. I'm on Video Vision.
Very happy about.
Anyways,
so what are you making right now? Are you making just like ghouls and shit?
Yeah, I don't actually know what this card is, but I wanted to make a card with a bunch of skulls all over it, and this one looks kind of cool, so I don't care.
Fair enough.
Actually, it came out a lot better than I thought it would. I'm not gonna lie.
You know, it looks sick.
That's usually how most of my drawings go. Is I just start putting random stuff on the screen, and then it magically looks cool, and I can't tell you how.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry. That makes sense to a gamers. Yeah, I was just making sure that my stream wasn't set to delay, because there was a thing a while back where my YouTube stream got set to like 1.5 minutes of delay, and I didn't know about it for a while. Yeah. Here's what. Nope, that's not what JW screen looks like. Hold on. Let me fix this. Where is JW? And then back to the scene. All right, so here's what it looks like. Hooray!
Hold up.
I'm showing off your skull card that you're cooking on. Yep, everyone's seeing it right now on my stream. They're like,
okay,
damn,
okay.
This guy hasn't finished shaping it. It still says Salmon Storm. What the fuck?
Well, yeah, it's because I don't know what the name of it is. It's just that I also need to figure out like a background and like cool stuff. For the ghouls,
Wait,
you know?
Are the ghouls on my end right now, or have you pushed this up yet?
Yeah, I think you have the basics of them. Yeah. Let's see, yeah, you definitely do.
They don't have glowy green eyes.
But they're purple. Or should they have glowy purple eyes?
They don't have glowy purple eyes.
But they're purple. Yeah, but I'm saying it's like they why would they be green? when they're purple.
Because it's a complementary color to purple.
I'm saying they should have like bright green eyes.
Maybe. It could. It could be kind of cool, honestly. Let me find out. Cool.tscn. Cool skull? Yeah.
Okay, well you can try that if you want, but
yeah, I'm also gonna move this back behind the visual so you can
it also
see
means
the
I'd have to like
visuals.
redraw this.
You wouldn't. You could just like you can hit G on your keyboard and like select the color green and then just like fill it in, you know?
I could.
Yeah, I assume it's not a long delay. I assume it's usually like 10 to 15 seconds, hopefully. Yeah. Around 19 seconds delay. Yeah.
That's pretty bad.
That's not. Why is... Hey, chat.
Mm-hmm.
JW, can you explain something to me?
What?
Wait, can we talk about it? Can we
No
talk about it a little bit?
mid-maps? What?
Can we talk about this?
No
Why did we
mid-maps?
export this? Why did we export this as a 9x9 image?
Don't worry about it.
Because I noticed whenever I open this up that the fucking center of the sprite, like it's in the dead center of this pixel instead of like a normal sprite where it's like at the boundary of 4. It's fucked up. He's so fucking fucked up.
This guy will not let me cook.
Yeah. Because you're exporting sprites as 9x9 and 33x40. You're not allowed in the kitchen anymore. 33x40? 33x40?
Don't worry about it.
Can I see what the width of all of the sprites are in the game, actually? I'm curious. Do images that are imported have their widths or anything?
So I say
Not
Pixar looks really cool.
imports.
Thank you. Welcome in, Worm V. What a name. It's a beautiful name.
I guess I could just write a script that just goes through the entire project and grabs all the PNGs and then checks
You
their
might
width.
be the worst.
I might be the worst.
Yeah.
How am I the worst when you're the one exporting the images at 33x40? Make it make sense.
I don't know.
Is my frame rate uncapped? No, but it's way higher than it needs to be. Sorry, I just looked over and saw that my stream was running at like 30 FPS apparently.
Very cool.
You know what? I'm doing it. Sorry, gang. I was gonna do something cool, but then JW pissed me off by existing again.
Many such cases.
I'm still thinking about like whenever we first started streaming together, working on the game, and people would often come in and ask, "Do you guys like hate each other?"
It was kind of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. In case you're wondering.
This is true. I don't hate JW. This is a lie, but if he asks me to play Magic the Gathering on the train up to Godokon, I think I might end up killing him.
Yeah, I've literally asked you multiple times, so like you kind of have to.
Wasn't on the train though. We are not on the train yet.
Oh, you
but
mean while we're on
I-
the train? Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm giving
I
you a
got you.
chance to reconsider before next month.
No, I'm not reconsidering. I want to play Magic.
Does anyone know how to draw in the same style of the prompts that JW uses?
Stop. We're killing you.
What's up?
They see me actively drawing right now.
Yeah. Well, no, that's not. See, this is what I was talking about. Is like, I don't know how he does this. I tried figuring it out, but he does like some weird prompt that's like He tells GPT to like draw in a way that looks like someone's drawing it, like pixel by pixel. And it's like a little impressive, but like not that impressive, you know?
It might be the worst bit of all time.
What do you mean? Lytic?
Yeah.
I see. Failed loading a resource. Assets sprites ghost underscore one.png. Why the what the fuck do you mean you failed to load the resource? Are you stupid or dumb? I asked Godot to load images and it said, I don't know how to.
Fair enough.
Oh no, I remember what it was. There's an image thing, right? Image.load. Yeah. Image.load from file. That's the thing I need. What latency am I using? I'm using not the lowest of latencies. It's like the second lowest one. There's like a here. I'll take a look. If I can just fucking pull it up. I've got another tablet open. Yeah, so I have it set to this latency, the low latency, rather than ultra low, just because this is like, it's usually tells you if you hover that thing, but it said it takes like more processing or whatever, and I was like, I don't need it to be like instant. I mean, I might try it. For image or for path in all image paths, image.load from file, path var image. I also want to print out the path and then print out the image. Image or pixel test. Any errors? 4 errors. Okay. Damn. Loaded resource as image file. This will not work on export. Okay. That's not what I asked, but sure, dude. Whatever the fuck you say, man. Error opening file. Ghost underscore one.png. I don't know what's up with ghost underscore one.png, but like, holy shit, does it fucking hate loading this resource.
I don't even know what ghost underscore one.png is.
Me neither. It takes more processing. I don't remember what the fuck it said. I don't know, man. Yeah, I'll check it out like before next stream, but I do have to end the stream if I want to change the settings. So image.get width. Cannot call. Okay, if image. Oh my god. Ooh, okay, so that worked. So I can do something like if not image, continue. Otherwise, what I want to do is even. Is it even? Even. What am I fucking doing? Why am I image.get width mod 2 equals 0. This is even. Although I can do this. I can say if image that does not equal image.get height mod 2 print image width. Man, I'm going in hella hard for this just to like shit on JW.
Nah, kind of valid though.
Weird.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't print out the path. Oopsies. That was what I meant to path. That's a funny one. I want to find out what this image is. There's an image that's dimensions of 360 by 261, which is a bizarre one.
Kind of fire. Can't lie.
It's called ignore.png. Okay. I mean, that's fair enough. I don't even know what the fuck that is or whose that is. I have no idea where that is. What the fuck is that? This isn't even in like the project. What? There's an images folder? What is the images folder? What are you? Oh, this is like this is for add-ons. I see. Okay, so that's a screenshot of something. So how about this? What if I specifically load it from assets and source? All image paths dot array util get files. Okay. Needle gun projectile is 8 by 3. Laser shot is 48 by 7. Some of these are, I mean, at least they're like somewhat consistent-ish. Nope, I lied. Laser outer is 48 by 7, and the laser inner is 48 by 3, but then the op shot is 48 by 5. Good luck, Mr. Gamers B. Whoa. Oh, I guess this... Wait. Does that add up? 582 is 15. That does divide by 3. Okay. Is this at least... Let me see if this is 3 wide. This would be, like, fucked up if it wasn't. Oh, no. Okay, it's 5 frames. That makes sense. Holy shit. Wait. What? Lightning big? Lighting big. What is lighting big? Oh, you misspelled lightning. Shit, can you look at this image for me?
What image? Yeah.
Lighting big?
Yeah, that's lighting.
Look at the size. Look at the size of it. What's the size of it, GW? So, by the way, the first thing that I wanted to do was I'm just having this go through, and if the dimensions of it are like either the width is even or the height is even and the other axis isn't, like if one of them is odd and one of them is even, it's just printing that out. And apparently we have 399 of those or
Very
so.
cool.
Divide by 3, so like 130 or so. Ouch. Sticker lightning jars 24 by 33. Nacho? Nacho's fucked up? What does Nacho look like? There's no way that Nacho's that fucked up. Oh my god, Nacho's 25 by 32. You were so close. You were so close. Wait. Wait a minute.
What?
There's no way that's real. There's no shot that's real. Can I drag this over to Sprite from VS Code? Holy shit, I can't. Okay, I thought it would let me. The fuck did... Hey, where did Nacho go? Nacho?
He's gone. It's over.
It's actually so fucking crazy that you accidentally made Nacho, like, Nacidos.
It is kind of funny.
Why can't I open this by dragging it in from a sprite or from outside of a sprite? What the fuck? Huh? Am I being pranked? Am I being punked? Okay.
Yeah, a little bit.
File open. No, VS Code was definitely just showing me something wrong, right? But just to be sure, let me just make the background completely black so I can see. Yeah, I don't know. VS Code, I guess, was just lying to me about something. It, if I open up Nacho in VS Code, whenever I zoom in, even though it's pixel perfect, it shows like there's like a ghosting outline around him of this like, I don't know how well that shows up on screen, but there's like shit behind him, like around like this spot of him. There's just like a brown area outside of him. He's got stink lines behind him for some reason.
Wait,
Whoa, what the fuck? Dude, I just looked back. What the hell are you doing?
What?
What is this fucking... where did you get this?
Huh?
Damn, bro. What did you fucking put in the prompt?
I'm killing you.
No, but that actually looks fucking sick. Oh,
No,
I forgot to turn on shared chat.
The really funny thing is that all of these are just this first one, like, scaled and rotated, and then I just, like, touched them up a little bit.
I see.
So, like,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
actually took me so little effort, and it still looks really nice.
Oh, that's fire. The only
Originally,
thing
I was
that feels
going
a
to
little off.
manually it.
The only thing that feels a little off is the one in the front sticks out like a fuck ton. Like the border feels like it's like very large compared to like or the outline
a little
is thick.
thicker because it's like larger and closer. I might change the. What if I change the color to match the other ones because it is a little brighter? So it's like
yeah, it definitely like.
It's this layer. Is that better if it's like? I mean, I want the I think that's better. I want the front one to stick out a little bit, but yeah, I could make the outline the same width as the other ones, but
it doesn't have to be the same width. It's just like it's disproportionately larger. Like specifically, there's some spots like the left side of it where the cheekbone kind of dips in, like around the eye socket temple.
Here,
that is like larger than I feel like it should be.
Oh, it's weird because
it's because of the tangent lines.
There.
Lol, I was just talking about that shit earlier.
You know, because I tried erasing right here, and I'm like, there's nothing there.
So yeah, I think if you honestly added the color back there of that skull behind it, it would make that look better.
So like, if we went here and said, my scroll wheel, I'm scrolling up.
Oh
I'm
shit, dude! Yo, the snapback on the scroll was crazy.
I'm trying to zoom in.
Just hit Z and then like left click and drag out, and you'll zoom in.
There we go. I was genuinely zooming in, and it is just...
All right, does that work in this? Oh yeah. If you want to do zooming without the scroll wheel, hit Z to pull out the magnifying glass, and if you click and then drag right, you'll zoom in, and if you click and drag left, you'll zoom out.
I don't like that.
Okay. Well, I mean, if you want to sit there and fucking use your fucked up scroll wheel, you know, that's fine too, I guess.
Yeah, it is. There you go. Now the outline's better.
Add
just like a little more shading. Like this guy should have like a little northern line highlight on his forehead.
Oh my god! Wait. There needs to be like some sort of Easter egg or something where you can make the skulls have the northern line headphones.
That would be kind of fire. Hold up.
You know, some days you are super productive, and some days you kind of feel like Pyro Software, you know?
I need to just like draw on stream more, because I feel like I just like I can't like go off and play Fortnite or something. So I just end up just doing whatever, and then something really cool ends up showing up, you know?
Something really cool ends up showing up.
No, because like genuinely, I don't feel like
No, I get it. I do. I feel that way sometimes when I write shaders, where like sometimes like shit just happens. Shit just spawns from your hands sometimes, and like it doesn't make sense, but like it's there.
Yeah. Ooh, there we go. We've got like the little, like, need some like little crackles. Too much.
That looks fucked up. I'm doing weird shit. It's got bug eyes. One thing that I wish particles in Godot did a little bit better is I wish they had like a little bit more clarification on what is a lifetime property and what is a property of like when it's spawned. Because like certain ones, like obviously color ramp and color initial ramp are like pretty clear. Like this one is, you know, you specify a bunch of colors and then it's like one of these will be its color on spawn, but then color ramp is like the time, like over time it'll change color.
Yeah.
But like for scale, there's scale curve, which feels like it could be like a curve that you use to show like a distribution of what the scale could be. So like what percentage of them are spawned at this color or whatever, like, you know, what does the spread look like? But no, it's actually just like over lifetime, which is fair. I just wish that there was a little bit more clarity in that for sometimes.
Meow as cheeseburger. Moz, you wanna hop on Magic in like 20 minutes?
Moz beast churg. There will be no Biddy there. Because Biddy is lame.
Yeah, Biddy suddenly hates playing Magic, and it's like a little concerning.
This is true.
He's just waiting so he can play on the train.
I hate you so fucking much. It's like actually disgusting. For anyone who tunes into the stream for the first time, I do actually hate JW.
No, this isn't true.
Oh shit, this is not supposed to, oh god. Yo, I'm getting hypnotized. Moaz, I fucking hate you. You can't be saying that shit. Shouldn't you be like, I don't know, shouldn't you be like speedrunning Celeste right now or something? Actually, no, you couldn't speedrun. Never mind.
That's crazy.
Never mind. No, to like speedrun, you have to be like a competitive kind of person, and I feel like Moaz just can't be competitive. You know, I feel like Moaz. That's not that mean. Are you kidding me? If you see the way that Moaz gives up whenever she tries to invite me to a league queue and I invite her instead, then you would know that like that's just the truth.
Oh, oops, actually, I'm drawing all these on the wrong layer.
Celeste doesn't launch on your PC. Happens. JW, can you explain to me why this actually doesn't look like the worst thing ever?
What doesn't? My art or your? What the heck did you do?
I gave him eye trails.
I mean, it kind of does look like the worst thing ever, but
okay, that's fine. I guess.
no,
I'll just
sorry.
I'll go fucking like end myself.
Hold up, AI viewers.
AI viewers. What the fuck is that? Macabre proscription. Man, get the fuck out of here. I don't know. Green goes well with purple. I feel like with something like a skull.
Yeah, I
like
think it does. I feel like it's a little too
fucks a little
noisy
bit.
though. Like the skulls shouldn't be like bright. They should be kind of like in the background.
Yeah,
Like they are with like the dark
that's
purple.
that's why we make it like transparent. Then it doesn't really show up. Hee.
Okay, well I think I'm happy with this card. Looks pretty cool. What I was thinking the card might do that could be fun is make it like a X cost where it summons like a bunch of ghouls based on how much you pay for it.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I thought we had talked about that before. That's what it would be.
I don't think so. I think it was like an idea for a card at one point, but it wasn't like this one specifically.
Oh, never mind. Yeah. You're right. It was just like this would be a cool thing if it was spawn a bunch of ghouls.
Yeah.
Based on how much mana you have. Yeah. But we didn't actually say that was being made. I don't know why I was thinking you were making the art for Ghoul Jar, because it obviously is in Ghoul Jar.
Yeah, obviously. Clearly.
Okay. Well, now you get the hardest part of the project.
What?
Put you on screen. What's it gonna be called?
I don't know, like Ghoul Horde or something.
See, I was thinking like we obviously can't go like it can't be Ghoul Storm because that doesn't make sense. But it probably needs to have like alliteration to it, like Ghoul Ghoul Gaggle. I don't know, man.
Ghoul Gaggle. Okay, we are never letting you pick a name again.
Yo, dude, that looks like a karambit down there. What the fuck?
It literally doesn't. Okay.
No, it totally does. What are you fucking talking about, dude? The fucking plus is where you put like your finger at, and then it's got like the blade, and then like I could totally see a motherfucker in Counter-Strike spinning that bitch around.
You're the worst ever, dude, but okay. Hold on.
By the way, for anyone over in Twitch chat, JW has this really cool thing going on that I'm going to show off on my screen.
Wait, why is this guy's eye look all messed up all of a sudden?
He has all of his chats up on screen on his screen share, so I can see this. He actually can't see Twitch chat right now because he has his own profile pulled up.
I genuinely don't know how I pulled that up.
I don't either.
What did I click on? Oh, did I like?
I don't know where there's even a button to click on that.
How did I get that?
Can you click on your name where you ban them? Oh, you probably clicked that. Yeah.
No, but that's not the same thing. That's not what popped up.
Is it not?
No, it's not. Oh, it's this. If you hover over this.
Oh, I see.
It like shows up, but I don't. Oh,
it's probably that you went past it like quickly, and then once you left over the window, it just like stayed there.
I don't know how.
I don't either, man. I don't know. You figured it out, though.
Oh well. I think this eye's messed up. Hold up. Oh wait, no.
Also, Moaz, what the fuck do you mean Celeste doesn't launch on your PC? What? Did they like ban the game in Egypt or some shit? Oh fuck, I need to see if I can find a tweet. Actually, hold on.
Let me just see what actually.
Dude, I fucking love Rainbow. Wait.
Rainbow Road.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm losing my fucking mind. You're right, Rainbow Road. I don't know. I feel like I just had a mini stroke. I was like, I can't remember what the second word is. My brain kept saying Rainbow Ride because that's the fucking Super Mario 64 level. But I was like, no, that's not correct. Knock it off, dude. Okay, sorry, I found the image that I wanted to share later. It's a funny relic of the past. Let me see. Is there anything else that I have on my mind? I wrote so little down for what to do today. Uh,
Hello, Thornity Godokon hype. Oh, I forgot that's a thing. We definitely weren't like
huh?
talking about it all stream. Godokon is a thing that exists.
Yeah, but no, but like
Oh,
you
we
said it.
should
You
probably
forgot it.
figured out what we're doing for the game for Godokon. Even though we don't have a table, we'll bring our
Yeah, we'll probably.
backpack.
I mean, I'm definitely gonna be bringing my Steam Deck because, of course, I am. We can do the backpack if you want, or
Of course, we're gonna do the backpack.
yeah, bring the backpack and just like hang out near people's tables and be like,
There's
yo,
literally nothing wrong with doing that. We totally could.
be like, yo, why the fuck would you play that game when you could fucking hang with the Dante squad?
Literally, we can just do that. Literally, nothing stopping us.
Whoa, literally nothing.
I mean, if we can do it
Also,
at PAX,
Thornity, are
we
you
can...
gonna go to Godokon?
Yeah, he's like giving a talk, I think.
Oh, really?
I
Oh,
thought I like
I
told
think
you
you
this.
mentioned that.
Yeah.
I thought you mentioned, yeah, Thornity and
I mentioned
Aramis are
that.
doing a talk, right?
No, just him.
Just Thornity?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't think Aramis is gonna be there.
really? What? A little surprising. I feel like. Where the fuck is Aramis from?
I think like Minnesota. So like it's a little far. But I guess
mean, it's a
compared
little
to like
far,
us,
but, I want to
our
see.
distance, it's not that far. But
Yeah, I think JD does devs from somewhere out in the Midwestern area, and he was there last year.
well, yeah, just because like
Not
one
saying that
person
he
from the
has to be
Midwest
there.
goes doesn't mean another
Yeah.
will.
Yeah, it does. You're a featured speaker. I don't go to the website often.
Have you like been to the website at all?
Yeah, I bought my ticket.
Bro went to get the ticket and then that's
Correct.
That's crazy.
Because I'm gonna show up and I'm gonna go to any talk that I think sounds interesting, and I'm gonna hang out with people and I'm gonna talk game dev. And
that's crazy.
that's mostly what I'm there for. And it's gonna be fun. There's one. Oh my god, you're such a bastard.
What did I do?
Fuck. Not you. I'm so pissed.
Oh, okay.
Miz is giving a talk at 10:30 a.m.
Yeah, we're gonna be there at 10:30 a.m. That's like not that early. You're
early as
evil.
fuck.
You might be the worst to ever do it. I'm not gonna lie. Just like... Anyways, is there anything? What are you working on? Is there anything else you want to do?
I'm not working on anything
okay,
right now. No, I'm
just,
looking over. I'm looking over the list of
You're
talks.
good. Okay.
And you're on.
Well, you let me know what talks you got. If there's any good ones.
Yeah. I wish that this website was not light mode, because it's hurting my eyes a lot actually.
This guy hates light mode. It's crazy.
Your game is a lemon. Juice it. The workshop. We're not going to that though. You're just there to get Chipotle. True.
The fire.
Let's see, so it's for Tuesday. So the events that I think sound for the talks that I think are very cool. Is the 5 reasons you want to compile your own version of Godot, which there's a couple of reasons I can already think of, so I'd like to know if there are more. And then the Mrs.'s talk.
Yeah, of course the Mrs.'s is.
Let's see. Just looking for anything that kind of sticks out to me.
Anything stick out to you? Okay, well I think I'm done with this card art, so I'll just leave it here for you to stare at. Could be better, could be worse. Actually, hold up, this eye here is bothering me.
Oh, there's another Acerola talk.
So let's go. Of course, we're going to that.
Oh, I see. It looks like they haven't slotted a lot of the talks in yet.
That would
Which makes sense.
Yeah.
We're still a decent bit out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little bit
Yeah,
dead
you're
right
good.
now.
If you're
the
ready
brain.
on stream, I am good. I'm just tweaking little tiny things on this. He's all introverted and this stuff drains him. Yeah, no, that's fair. I don't know. I feel like sometimes I like talking to people, but it depends on the day. I like talking to people when I like don't have to see them and I can just like join random Discord servers.
Yeah.
Because that's my job.
That might be like an autism thing though, because like I'm the same way. Mine is like really weird.
You are like really weird. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Because like I'm way less energetic in person, but like online I am more animated, I guess. I don't fucking know.
Yeah.
I've been talking online like my entire life, but I didn't talk in person as much while growing up, so I developed like the voice social skills and not like the I have to focus too much on like the eye contact and the fucking existing. 10:30 a.m. is too early for Billy. Like, you're so fucking
you're just
right,
weird.
dude.
Yeah, you're just weird. That's like
You're
not that
so
early.
fucking right.
I mean, I do like
No.
get up at like 4:30 to go to work some days, so it's not.
Bro
that
is
early for me.
LARPing Northern Lion.
What?
He wants to. You know, JW was literally talking about like after Godokon, he might just shave his head just to be Northern Lion for like
That's
a little bit longer.
that's
Like
that's true. I did say that.
to be like more productive. He was gonna even like buy a Peloton and shit. Or
Yeah.
I think Jimmy's parents have one, right? You might. I think you were talking
Yeah,
about
they
like getting that
do.
off of them. Or just going over to their house every morning at like 5 in the morning and using their Peloton.
That would be kind of hilarious. You're a
Yeah,
shit.
you don't even tell your parents. And then one fucking day, Jimmy's parents just fucking mess or like text your parents or whatever, and we're like, "Yo, why the fuck is John coming over here at 5 in the morning screaming about Bob Dylan and using our Peloton?"
And playing Uma Musume, or Uma, however you pronounce it, Uma.
Yeah, you got it.
The game.
Dude, I
the
hate when
horse
motherfuckers
game.
do that. Don't do that shit, dude.
What?
Whenever I'm watching like a video essayist and then there's a word that's ever so slightly not like American English, and then they go, "Oh, I'm gonna butcher this," and then they say it like really slowly but basically correct, and then they go,
Well, I just don't
"Yeah,
know.
sorry in
like,
advance.
what
I basically butchered that. I'm sure."
I
It's
don't
like-
care if I get it right or wrong. I just don't know what the right
Yeah,
option
No,
is.
for sure, man. It's chill, dude.
Anyways,
Yeah, so I was just this game is out of fuck. Sorry for everyone who speaks this. I know I'm gonna butcher it. Nihongo. I'm sure I'm killing. I'm sure that's terrible. Sorry, guys.
yeah, that was
Like,
really bad. That
Fucking
was pretty bad.
video essay dickheads piss me off.
This guy hates
I hate
video
everyone.
essays.
I hate everyone.
Yeah, that's true.
that
That's
one.
true.
That's the one. I hate.
Anyways,
everybody.
I need to go play Magic, so I'm gonna end stream
This
now.
motherfucker is playing Magic. Yeah.
Yep.
Today was a pirate software day for me. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I got a lot done, so it's fine. We traded.
I'm also like I feel like I get more done off stream sometimes, which is really.
I get
Probably
like so little
expected.
done off stream these days. I need to work on that.
I feel like the most of the time that I get things done, I'll just like. It's either late at night or like whenever I wake up like super early, which is very rare, but like sometimes I just wake up super early and I'm like, I got like 3 hours before I gotta do like my actual job. Let me just like program some shit.
Yeah.
And then I'll just like I'll send you like a gif of it and I'll be like, yo, I did this thing.
Yeah. That is true. I feel like I did something
That's
cool
weird.
recently that I meant to send you, but I don't remember. Maybe something I drew.
You did something cool?
No, not that I can remember.
Is that what you said? Or
No, I feel like I remember. Oh no, I think it was the eyeball guy that I drew. This guy. And his Chud son.
no. Wait, what's going on? What is that?
It's big eyeball that spawns little eyeballs.
Oh, is that something that's being added or?
No, I just drew it for fun, and I thought that like it might like look nice as like a art piece. but like not to put in the
Okay,
game.
yeah, for sure. I mean, like, is it something that we've already talked about adding, or is it like
I
what's
had mentioned it, yes, but you probably forgot. But basically,
Yeah,
it's
that's
kind of like the hive
I did
guy.
forget, which is why I'm asking about it right now.
It's basically like the
Oh,
hive
you probably
guy.
forgot. I can't tell by the fact that you're asking the question.
It's like the hive guy, but it spawns like little eyeballs that like have little mini
Mhm.
explosions, and they're like slower and like less scary.
Yeah, can you do me a favor, actually, really quickly? Can you
Uh-huh.
highlight the entirety of that eyeball, like the big one?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want you to click and drag so that line that up in that like 4-box section where there's like a 2x2. Yeah. Uh-huh. No. A little bit to the right. A little bit to the right. Like center it in the box. Yeah, almost. You're like,
I think it's a 1 pixel center circle.
I don't care if it's a 1 pixel center. I don't give a fuck. Now, did you know that you can do this if you double click?
Yeah.
With the marquee tool?
Yeah.
It'll like.
Yeah, I knew that.
Oh shit! I actually just learned something from you. I didn't know that you could
What?
double click and hold it down.
Oh.
That's cool.
Yeah. You didn't know that? That's
I didn't know
crazy.
that. No. Whenever
What did
I
you
did the tile stuff, I would.
Oh, you just like hold shift and like double click everything.
Yeah.
If you wanted to like select multiple, yeah, no, you can just like double click and hold.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
I do that all the time
fucking
if I
sick.
need like a.
Oh,
Something.
you can actually
Yeah.
hold shift to make it a box as well, so you can like forcibly.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No, I meant like the double click thing as well. Like
Double click.
yeah, I'd like to force it to be a square or like somewhat a square. It's weird. 'Cause,
Yeah, up to like a
sometimes
certain
it's not.
size. Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a weird one.
And then you can hold space
yeah.
to drag it around.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, that guy's idea.
But yeah,
so,
if you do that with that, you can just like highlight over that, and then you can do like a Control E to like export just that region.
Nah.
And that means that you would be able to export it as a guaranteed power of 2 because that's a fucking 16 by 16
But
grid
it's
that you
not
got
quite
there.
centered, I don't think.
I don't give a fuck if it's white centered. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. As long as it's a power of 2 and not 33 by 40. Thornity, are you? I forget. Thornity, you're like a programmer mainly person, right?
I think so. I don't know.
Okay, imagine this. Imagine you're like setting up something in a game and your artist goes, oh yeah, here, I've got this image for you to use in the game. And they send you an image that is 33 wide and 40 tall. 33 by 40, JW. Which means that whenever you fucking import it into Godot, with the way that Sprite 2Ds are, they're by default centered. So it's
You just set
fucking...
the offset to 0.5, then it's fine.
It is 0.5. No! Just export it as a power of 2 or something even. Preferably a power of 2, just because those are sick to work with.
Anyways. So this guy, if you want to like, I know you mentioned wanting to do like new enemy stuff. This could be a fun one to do. If you wanted to
What new
like
enemy
try
stuff?
to... You said you wanted to like
Oh yeah, to like make it easier
make
to make
easier
new
to make
enemies.
new enemies, so this guy's probably
Yeah.
fairly simple because I mean the eyeball itself is pretty simple. It's basically just an eyeball,
Yeah.
big eyeball that spawns little eyeballs. But
Yeah, I might.
Yeah.
I got a couple of things that I might end up doing for enemy development stuff,
Yeah.
and maybe tonight I might like pull out the laptop while I'm trying to go to sleep, and then
yeah,
you're gonna get a DM from me at like 2 in the morning that's gonna be like, yo, check this out, and it's gonna be like something that just absolutely fucking blows your mind.
yeah.
There's actually like a decent chance of that happening sometime in the next
I
week,
do
so-
like having the kind of different styles of enemies as like kind of classes. So it's like the eyeballs are the explodey ones, and
yeah.
similar. I want to do more like that because I'm a big fan of games like that where they have like kind of sets of enemies that are all very similarly styled and they kind of do the same thing. I know Neon Abyss
Yeah, it's
does that a
also-
lot, where they have like a bunch of very similar enemies, but like they have different classes of them that'll like have different patterns that are kind of the same between them. So there'll be like ones with armor that'll like have take reduced damage until they get close to you. Ones that like when you hit them they start shooting faster, things like that.
It's also just like a general good game design thing to have like visually similar things do similar things. so that you don't have to like you don't have to play a guessing game. Like,
yeah, it's like you see
like
an
whenever you
eyeball,
open up a
you know
mod
it's gonna
pack in
explode.
Minecraft, if you see something that looks like a creeper but it's blue, you know that motherfucker is gonna do something, but it's definitely gonna be an explosion of some sort. You know, it's like
Yeah.
that like works to convey information in a way that doesn't require the player to test something and end up getting fucked by it.
Yeah. Anyways,
I guess that's also another thing with the eyeballs is I think, let's say that we were to introduce someone to the game and spawn in like a couple of enemies and then spawn in the eyeball. Would it be feasible that they would be able to dodge out of the way of the eyeball's explosion the first time they see it? Because otherwise it would kind of be like a guaranteed damage that they take for learning the game, if that makes sense. Like, I think something like being able to sight read things in a way is something that maybe we should consider. Because like if someone already knows what an eyeball is, then it takes like, it's a little bit of a different skill than having to react to learning the information and moving out of the way.
I mean, I feel like also getting hit by it is part of the learning what it does. Because if you get hit by it, then you're like, okay, I'd never want to get hit by that again.
A little bit, but if it's something that's like, if it's not feasible for someone on their first playthrough to dodge it whatsoever, then I think that's a problem, because then it's just forced damage. Like whenever something shoots at you in Gungeon, like you can see the bullet moving, or like even for the flying enemies, you can see the bullets moving, so that's very feasible to dodge on your first playthrough if you know nothing else about it. But if it's like the reaction time to jump out of the way isn't enough, then maybe it might be worth like thinking about. Not that we need to change anything, but
I do think a little more like wind up on them exploding could be good as well. But yeah. All right. Anyways,
well, I think I call stream here.
Yeah. Anyways, good night, everybody.
Kill stream. Yeah. Good night, everybody. We will be back on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. EST. But until then, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. Wishlist Dante's on Steam.
True.